Home security has evolved from locks and barking dogs to advanced technology. Alarm systems, motion detectors, and cameras added layers of protection. Now, AI-powered security is revolutionizing our homes. AI differentiates between harmless and real threats. It learns routines, recognizes faces, and alerts in real time. AI offers a smarter, proactive approach to home security. We'll explore AI security technology, applications, and benefits. We'll also discuss ethical considerations and privacy concerns. Join us as we explore the future of AI home security. At the heart of this intelligent revolution lies the power of artificial intelligence, specifically machine learning. AI-powered systems learn and adapt over time, unlike traditional security systems. Trained on massive datasets, they recognize patterns, identify anomalies, and make intelligent decisions. Machine learning algorithms empower security systems to distinguish between harmless events and genuine threats. AI analyzes movement patterns and context to reduce false alarms and accurately identify threats. The system's intelligence grows over time, becoming more accurate and reliable. AI's integration with advanced sensory technologies takes home security to a whole new level. Modern AI-powered systems utilize high-resolution cameras, microphones, and even environmental sensors to create a comprehensive security network. These sensors act as the eyes and ears of the system, constantly monitoring the surroundings for any suspicious activity. Facial recognition technology, a powerful tool in AI's arsenal, allows security systems to identify known individuals such as family members, friends, or regular visitors. This feature is particularly useful in differentiating between welcome guests and potential intruders, providing an extra layer of personalized security. Beyond visual identification, AI-powered systems can also analyze audio patterns. For instance, the system can be trained to recognize the sound of breaking glass, a forced entry, or even aggressive voices, triggering an immediate alert to the homeowner and potentially contacting the authorities. This combination of visual and auditory analysis creates a multi-layered security approach that is far more sophisticated than traditional systems. AI in home security goes beyond detecting intruders. It enhances safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Examples include smart doorbell cameras, identifying visitors and sending real-time notifications, package detection and alerts, detecting and tracking packages, notifying you of theft attempts, unusual activity detection, environmental monitoring, sensors for smoke, carbon monoxide, and water leaks. AI offers a comprehensive solution for modern home security. Section 5. Outsmarting the intruders, proactive security measures. AI-powered security systems shift from reactive to proactive measures, anticipating and preventing threats. They deter intruders by activating floodlights, sounding warnings, or displaying messages. Analyzing data from crime reports and weather patterns, they adjust protocols to enhance security. This adaptive approach transforms home security into an active deterrent against threats. Section 6. Peace of mind delivered. The benefits of AI-powered security. The adoption of AI in home security brings a plethora of benefits, enhancing not just our safety but also our overall well-being. Here are some key advantages. Enhanced security. AI's ability to accurately identify threats and reduce false alarms provides a higher level of security compared to traditional systems. Proactive protection. AI allows systems to anticipate and deter potential threats before they escalate, offering proactive security measures. Personalized experience. Features like facial recognition and customizable alerts tailor the security experience to individual needs and preferences. Remote monitoring and control. Most AI-powered systems offer mobile apps that allow homeowners to monitor their properties, receive alerts, and control security features from anywhere in the world. Increased peace of mind. Knowing that your home is protected by an intelligent and vigilant system provides invaluable peace of mind, whether you're at home or away. These benefits contribute to a sense of security and well-being, allowing homeowners to relax and focus on what matters most. Section 7. The cost of convenience, privacy concerns, and data security. While AI-powered home security offers benefits, it's crucial to address privacy and data security concerns. These systems collect significant data, raising concerns about data protection and misuse. Choose providers with transparent data policies to ensure secure and responsible use of your information. Mitigate risks by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and updating firmware. Balancing security and privacy is essential as AI technology evolves. Section 8. The human element, AI as a tool, not a replacement. It's important to emphasize that AI, while powerful, should be viewed as a tool to enhance home security, not as a complete replacement for human judgment and intervention. AI-powered systems, while capable of analyzing data and making intelligent decisions, are not infallible. They can still make mistakes, misinterpret situations, or fall victim to technical glitches. Human oversight remains crucial in interpreting alerts, verifying threats, and responding appropriately to security incidents. While AI can analyze a situation and provide valuable information, it's ultimately up to the homeowner or a designated security professional to assess the situation and take appropriate action. Moreover, ethical considerations and legal implications should always be factored into any security response. For instance, while an AI system might flag a suspicious individual, it's important to remember that not every unfamiliar face poses a threat. Rushing to judgment based solely on AI's analysis can lead to misunderstandings, profiling, and potentially harmful consequences. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve. Evolving threats and AI's adaptation. The world of cybersecurity is in a constant state of flux, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging regularly. One of the most significant advantages of AI in home security is its adaptability and ability to evolve alongside these threats. As hackers develop new techniques, AI-powered systems can learn from these attacks, updating their algorithms and security protocols to counter emerging threats. This constant evolution ensures that your home security system remains one step ahead, providing robust protection against even the most sophisticated attacks. Furthermore, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including security forums, research papers, and even dark web activities, allows it to identify potential threats before they become widespread. This proactive approach to threat intelligence helps security providers stay ahead of the curve, developing countermeasures and updates to protect users before they become victims. Section 10. The future of home security. A glimpse into smarter living. The future of home security is undeniably intelligent, with AI poised to play an even more significant role in safeguarding our homes and loved ones. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated applications of AI, further blurring the lines between security, convenience, and personalized living experiences. Imagine a future where your home anticipates your needs, automatically adjusting security protocols based on your schedule, preferences, and even your emotional state. Picture a world where AI seamlessly integrates with other smart home devices, creating a cohesive ecosystem that enhances not just security, but also energy efficiency, comfort, and entertainment. The possibilities are endless, and as AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see a future where our homes are not just safe havens, but also intelligent partners in creating a secure, comfortable, and convenient living experience. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing a safer tomorrow with AI. The advent of AI-powered home security marks a paradigm shift in how we protect our homes and loved ones. From intelligent threat detection and proactive responses to personalized features and remote monitoring, AI is transforming the security landscape, offering unprecedented levels of protection and peace of mind. However, it's crucial to approach this technological revolution with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the immense benefits and the potential drawbacks. Addressing privacy concerns, ensuring data security, and maintaining human oversight are essential for the responsible and ethical development of AI in home security. As we venture further into the age of intelligent homes, embracing AI's potential while mitigating its risks will be paramount. By finding the right balance, we can harness the power of AI to create a safer, more secure, and ultimately more comfortable living experience for ourselves and future generations.